Trying to wake up from a dream. It's harder than it seems. Birds are flying.
Morning, guys. It's 6 a.m. and I'm sleeping. I'm trying to get myself out of bed. So get up, get in the shower. That'll wake me up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is going to be a productive 6 a.m. morning routine. For me, waking up at around 6:30 sometimes, 30 minutes to an hour before MEADOW wakes up really gives me that me time, that time to do self-care and just really enjoy some alone time before I have to take care of her for the rest of the day. That being said, this video is sponsored by FabFitFun because their boxes deliver happiness to everyone, and I feel like incorporating these into my morning routine really makes all the difference in the world. It makes me so happy. I love trying new products. I love that they give you full-size beauty, fashion, lifestyle products, and if you're an annual member, you get to customize your box like I did. So I picked out everything in my box. You guys will see all of these products throughout my morning routine because, like I said, I love having that me time and just being happy and like taking care of myself. And also there is a list of 12 ingredients that are the FabFitFun standards. So you will never find those 12 harmful ingredients in your products. So you know that you're not gonna get any junky products or any of those like chemicals and stuff. Like they keep those 12 ingredients out of the products that they choose. So I absolutely love that about them. I also love these liquid IV hydration multipliers. These have been like all the rave for a while. There's this little tray with little pineapples that's super cute, a little like ice cube tray. And then this, oh my gosh, I love as well. So it's kind of like a picnic blanket. I've sat outside with it for a few days now and just like sit on the grass and the wetness and the dewiness doesn't go through this blanket. So I absolutely love everything in my FabFitFun box. I will have a discount code for you guys down below. It's just my name, Arlyne, so you guys can get a discount on your first box. So make sure you guys check the description box. Thank you again to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the morning. Okay, officially, good morning. I'm out of the shower. I'm awake now. It is 6:30 exactly now. MEADOW's still sleeping. I started waking up at 6 recently, but also because I realized that there's just not enough time in the day. If you have a baby, I think you feel me. But basically, when she would take her first nap, I would either have to pick between taking a shower or getting ready, or taking a shower or cleaning, or doing one or the other, obviously. And it wasn't as productive as it could be. So I figured waking up just 45 minutes to an hour early, because she does wake up anywhere between 6:30 and 7:30. She's actually kind of moving around, but she's still sleeping. So hopefully she wakes up around 7:30 so I have a lot of time, or enough time I should say, not a lot of time, enough time to do some self-care, some self-love, some skincare, and show you guys some of the new products that I've been loving from my FabFitFun box. So I have the Sensuals Facial Serum Vitamin C. So I just squeeze it out and I apply this all over my face. I was neglecting my skincare for a little bit. I also love that I'm able to try new products like this. So full-size product with FabFitFun. It's not like a little travel size or anything. It's literally the entire product, and you're able to try new brands, or in this case, that one's a new brand. This is something that I had been eyeing for so long. So I put on the serum, and then I do this Tarte Drink of H2O. I remember seeing this all over, I think it was like YouTube and Instagram when it first launched, and I wanted to try it then, but I obviously never got around to it. And now is the perfect time with summer. My skin has been, well, even after pregnancy too, I feel like my skin has been more combination as opposed to before. It was so oily. Like I literally could have filled the pool with how much oil I had. But now I have been loving moisturizers like this that are just really refreshing and just feel so nice on my skin. So I apply this all over, and then super important, Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. I am obsessed with this. Again, I had seen so much hype around this one, and I had it on my list of sunscreens to buy. It looks like this. Can you guys see? Like, it's just clear, and I find that it's pretty mattifying, and it also feels, it feels like a primer would. Like if you could imagine what a face primer feels like, this is what that feels like. But I put this on first thing in the morning because Meadow and I go for walks every day. So when she wakes up, I'm going to nurse her and then we're gonna go on a walk. So I need to make sure that there's sunscreen on my face. The sun is like the #1 cause of wrinkles. So that is very, very important. And then also in my FabFitFun box, I'm going to apply some of this Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I am a tiny, maybe the camera's picking up, I'm not sure. Just a tiny bit burnt. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this just because it feels really nice. And again, this is one of those products that's just really nice to have in your cabinet for when you really do get burnt. And then something else I've been applying is this Fruit Butter Lip Mask. Oh my gosh, this is my new favorite. I'm obsessed with this. I had never even heard of this brand. It's by the brand Seraphine Botanicals, but I am so glad that this was included in my box. I also like to apply this overnight, and it's one of those that is so thick, and you can tell it works so well because when I wake up in the morning, my lips feel super supple. So I apply this also in the morning, and then it just basically stays on all day. That way when I go to do my lipstick and stuff, my lips are moisturized. So those are some of the products from my FabFitFun box. I will also have a code down below for you guys. It's just my name, Arlyne, and you guys can get a discount on your first seasonal box. So check it out down below. I'm telling you guys, this summer box you don't want to miss out on. Now let's go get coffee. So now I can sit here, enjoy my coffee in peace without feeling guilty at all, because before I would drink my coffee and eat in front of her, not only is she really interested in food now because she's been eating solids, so she just kind of stares at me even though she just finished nursing, but also I just feel like I'm kind of like ignoring her because my mouth is full and I'm eating. So she's just like sitting here. She's fine, and I know she's fine. 10-15 minutes isn't gonna kill her, but I don't know. I think that's the mom guilt. I just feel bad anytime I'm not like fully engaged with her, if that makes sense. So now I don't have to feel guilty about anything. I know she's sleeping. I can enjoy my coffee. Now it is 6:49. She is still asleep. Looked at my to-do list. I actually do have to get on my computer. I have something I quickly need to upload to YouTube and send over. I know this laundry room is crazy. Let me know if any of you guys' laundry rooms look the same, but in my defense, this is all clean stuff that needs to be put away. At least it's not a bunch of dirty stuff. Baby girl decided to sleep in today. It's actually, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's 7:30 now. And she's not even crying, actually. She's kind of just talking or making little sounds. But I was able to edit more than I thought I would. So I'm kind of glad I got a head start on a few things. So I was basically kind of just working for the past 30-45 minutes. But yeah, let's go grab her. You guys hear her? Let's go see what she's doing. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. Good morning, beautiful. I missed you. I love you. Camera's funny, huh? You want to hold it? Okay, you can help me hold it.
It's not what it seems, tangled up in dreams.
Let's go get the camera. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, come get it. Come get it. Who is that? It's Meadow. Okay, we're headed downstairs. We were playing for like, what, 30 minutes? I love how I'm asking her what as if she's gonna respond. So let's go for a walk. It's a little bit chilly outside, okay? Foot in. Walk time. Let's go on a walk. Let's go on a walk. So we're out for our morning walk. And we usually probably do 2 walks a day. Sometimes even 3, depending on like the weather. But today looks like it's gonna be nice weather later. Right now it's a little windy. so it won't be as long. Okay, Meadow's down for her nap, and now I'm just gonna get ready. Please excuse the mess behind me, but I am going to reapply some of this Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen. Now, this is the really nice thing about waking up earlier, is that I didn't have to rinse off right now. Normally, I would put her down for a nap, I would run to the shower, rinse off. By the time I get out, by the time I start my makeup, I would only be like 10-15 minutes into my makeup because she would take 30-minute naps. Sometimes there's still 30 minutes. It's kind of a hit or miss. Or I feel like she has one good week where there's solid good naps, and then the next week she just goes back to her horrible 30-minute naps. And now if I don't blabber on for the next hour, I have another at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes before she wakes up. So that should give me enough time to get ready. Hopefully she sleeps for an hour, so I'll have plenty of time to get ready, if that makes sense. But yeah, let's get ready and then I'll be right back in a minute. I jinxed it. I'm back with half finished makeup. Well, I just see my lashes and my lips. But Meadow woke up after 25 minutes, so I actually did not get to finish, and especially because I was like talking to you guys, it's just a whole thing. So I'm gonna go grab her and I'm gonna feed her. It's okay. You're okay, my baby. You're okay. Bless you. What happens when you take a 25-minute nap. You're just grumpy, huh? I'm gonna be so honest, I thought about just starting over from scratch, throwing away this whole video because things aren't really going as planned. Like I said, I thought she was gonna nap a little bit longer. I thought I was gonna finish getting ready. I thought I was gonna be able to complete everything that I needed to. But I'm gonna keep it real. I figured, why not just keep it as it is? My makeup is halfway done. Meadow's tired, acting a little crankier than usual. She's not anything too bad, but I can just tell she just has like not as much patience. She's not her like super happy playful self because of that super short nap. So we're just gonna ride it out. Funny, we will find our way back. Gave this girl a carrot to gnaw on to help her teeth and just keep her a little busy and entertained. Then I actually want to show you guys quickly the green juice that I've been making that is so bomb. So 2 apples, I'm adding a pear, so it's gonna make it even sweeter, but that's also because I just don't know what to do with it. 3 carrots, I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime in there, and I'm actually gonna use this lime squeezer from my FabFitFun box, so super cute and obviously functional, so I'm gonna use that to squeeze a little bit of that in there. And then 2 oranges and then a ton of greens. So I'm gonna do spinach, probably some of the spring mix, and then a ton of this kale, and then just add water, and that's it. Literally, me and Meadow will drink this for the next 2 days because it is a pretty big batch, and it is so bomb. She loves it, I love it, and we get a lot of nutrients that way. So I'm gonna peel the carrots, and then I'm gonna throw everything in. Put about maybe 2 cups or a little less of water. I realized that I like a little more water, especially for Meadow to be able to drink it easily. I love that this was in here. They literally thought of everything with this box. Don't get scared, Meadow, okay? Okay, it's gonna be loud. Okay, it's gonna be loud. Don't get scared. Loud. Okay, slow down. Meadow, can you slow down, baby? You're drinking a lot. And she's all over the place with her emotions today, aren't you? Because of your short nap, you little loquita. You guys watch this. Meadow. I'm gonna get you! You silly girl. Hey! Meadow! Meadow! I love you, baby. You always want to grab the camera when it's there, huh? I love you, my silly boy. Meadow. Okay, so that's gonna complete everything for this morning routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the realness of it and the fact that I had my makeup like half done throughout most of the video. Again, thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I'm so grateful. But yeah, that's gonna be everything. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video.